This is the Influencer box for Super Moms. It's a Super Moms Super Box. Let's see what's inside. Whoopsie daisy. We got Swave soap, Swave Kids, and Swave coconut oil. So this is the Swave Kids. This is coconut oil. This is palmolive for dishes. And this is Secret Outlast Extend Technology. Completely clean.
What is it?
It's something that you do in your armpit for women. A set of 2 pens, a blue and white one, and a pink one. Pilot power to the pen.
Yeah. What else?
And Plackers Flossers Fruit Smoothie Swirl. So we can actually use this for all ages. That means from 5 years old to until you're a teenager. And a letter. On the front, it says, "For all you do for me, here's something better than a text." And in the inside, it says, "Thank you, Di." That was just Jamie in Russian. And we also got, I think these are coupons. Oop, yep. Daisy Brand Squeeze Sour Cream. This is just a coupon. And this is just something for the palmolive stuff. Thanks for letting me share this influencer stuff. Bye-bye.